Hello friends, welcome to the Teaching Aptitude MCQ series, and this is episode 12 for SAT and UGC NET examination. In this episode I will be solving questions based on people and environment. So the rules are simple: pause the video when question appears on your screen and try to answer, and once you are done with answering all the question, leave your feedback, what you want me to make in the next video. And before that, if you are watching it for the first time, so I request you to subscribe to my channel Global Online University, and please do watch previous episode. This is 12th episode in the series. So to start with the first question for the day is with reference to Environmental Protection Agency, UNEP stands for. So the options are United Nations 8th Plan, B United Nations 8th Program, C United Nations Environmental Plan, and D United Nations Environment Program. So the correct answer is D, United Nations Environment Program. Hope you guessed it correctly. And this is the further reading. The United Nations Environment Program is an agency of United Nations and coordinates in its environmental activities, assisting developing countries in implementing environmentally sound policies and practices. Moving on to the next question. With reference to Environmental Protection Agency, SACEP stands for. Option A, South Africa Cooperative Environment Program. Option B, South Asia Cooperative Environment Program. Option C, South Asia Cooperative Environment Plan. Option D, South Africa Cooperative Environment Plan. So the correct answer for this is B, South Asia Cooperative Environment Program. So you can read it here. South Asia Cooperative Environment Program is founded in 1982 by South Asian governments to promote the environment in the region. Now moving on to the next question. With reference to Environmental Protection Agency, UNCED stands for. So option A is United Nations Committee on Environment and Development. Option B, United Nations Committee on Earth and Development. Option C, United Nations Conference on Earth and Development. And option D is United Nations Conference on Environment and Development. So the friends correct answer for this question is D, United Nations Conference on Environment and Development. So the United Nations Conference on Environment and Development is also known as Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit, the Rio Summit, the Rio Conference, and the Earth Summit. And it was a major United Nations conference held in Rio de Janeiro from 3rd to 14th June 1992. So friends, remember UNCED. Now moving on to the next question. With reference to Environmental Protection Agency, GEF stands for Group Environment Facility. Option B, Green Environment Facility. C, Ground Environment Facility. D, Global Environment Facility. So the correct answer for this question is Global Environment Facility. The Global Environment Facility was established on the year of 1992, that Rio de Janeiro Summit. Now friends, moving on to the next question. With reference to Environmental Protection Agency, FSI stands for Forest Survey of India, First Survey of India, Fisheries Survey of India, and Fire Survey of India. So the correct answer for this question is Forest Survey of India. So friends, Forest Survey of India is Indian organization under Ministry of Environment and Forest, Government of India, and its principal mandate is to conduct survey and assessment of forest resources in our country. So friends, this was it for today's lecture. I hope you have liked it. If you have liked it, please subscribe to Global Online University. Thank you.